Ever found yourself tangled in the labyrinth of coding while trying to build a website? Well, you're not alone. But what if there was a way to simplify this process, to build a website without getting lost in the maze of codes? Welcome to eStage, a platform that makes building websites not just easy, but also fun. eStage is an intuitive, user-friendly platform that allows you to build your website from scratch without the need for any coding skills. It offers a range of customizable templates, so you can choose the one that suits your brand the most. To start off, you need to sign up on the eStage platform. It's as simple as providing your email address and setting a password. Once you've signed up, you're ready to dive into the world of website building without the need for any coding knowledge. Next, choose a template. eStage offers a wide variety of templates that cater to different industries. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or a large corporation, there's a template for everyone. Choose the one that best represents your brand and start customizing. Now comes the fun part, customizing your website. With eStage, you can easily change the color scheme, the font, and the overall layout of your website. You can add images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your website more engaging. You can also add pages like About Us, Services, Contact Us, and more. Once you're satisfied with how your website looks, it's time to hit the Publish button. And voila, your website is live and ready to be explored by the world. But don't worry, eStage doesn't leave you hanging after your website is published. It provides analytics to track the performance of your website and offers SEO tools to help your website rank better on search engines. It also offers 24/7 customer support, so you can reach out to them anytime you face any issues. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a website using eStage. It's simple, it's fun, and it's efficient. No more struggling with codes, no more hiring expensive web developers. With eStage, you're the master of your own website. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of eStage. Build your own website. Make it as unique as your brand and let the world know what you have to offer. eStage is waiting for you. So why wait? Start your website building journey with eStage today.